Yeah. Today I am going to be using a new product that I picked up. Today I am going to be testing out a new brush that I picked up from Target the other day. And it is the Revlon. One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. You guys can see my hair is pretty frizzy, like it's dry. I bleached it like 100,000 times to get it this blonde.
I killed it.
Yeah, I seen like girls with straight hair use it, and I'm like, I wonder if it's gonna work on this dry mess. I'm going to be demonstrating how it works on dry, frizzy, bleached hair. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So I already like put half of my hair up. I'm gonna be starting off with like not little sections because the brush is pretty big, but like, you know, whatever. And my hair is pretty damp. I washed it today, and I already put some heat protector on because I don't want to damage it more than it already is. Anyways, let's get started. Alright, so I'm gonna grab like a piece like this and roll this ugly hair. So as you guys can see, my hair is super thick. It does leave my hair nice and straight. I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and I will be right back with y'all. Hey guys, so this is the finished look, and I am absolutely in love with that blow dryer. Like I said before, my hair is dry, but I mean, it left it soft. On my roots, you could see the shine. I tell you guys, I have a lot of hair. Like, I have a lot of hair. It definitely cut my time in half. Usually it takes me about 40 minutes to an hour to blow dry all this fluff. I love it. Like, literally, I did my hair in 20 minutes and it looks fabulous. I love it. So I definitely recommend that blow dryer for all of you who have my hair type. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and definitely subscribe because I will be posting more videos soon. Hope to see you guys back.